Well, today in Washington, a Georgia Congresswoman got the chance to question the prosecutor who led the 2020 federal election case against President Donald Trump.
11 Alive Zach Merchant watched the testimony, joins us now. So, Zach, what happened there on Capitol Hill, sir?
We're talking about Congresswoman Lucy McBath here. She is a Metro Atlanta Democrat, and she was one of several lawmakers today to question Jack Smith. He is the former special prosecutor who led the federal 2020 election case before it fizzled out when President Donald Trump returned to office. At the heart of that case was President Trump's claim that widespread fraud was responsible for his election defeat, a claim that multiple court challenges failed to substantiate, and a claim that some prominent Georgia Republicans also resisted.
The Secretary of State, who is a fellow Republican, my understanding, he voted for and supported Donald Trump in the election, but told Donald Trump in a conversation that was recorded in no uncertain terms the results of the election. Donald Trump also spoke firsthand with the Attorney General of your state, also a Republican, who informed Donald Trump that he had supported him and voted for him twice in the past. He also told Donald Trump he did not see outcome determined fraud in that state.
Smith there is referring to Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger and Georgia Attorney General Chris Carr. Through a spokesperson, Raffensperger declined our request for comment today. A Carr campaign spokeswoman said, quote, Attorney General Chris Carr followed the facts, law, and evidence and believes the criminal case against President Trump should never have been brought. Now, Smith got a very friendly reception today from congressional Democrats, but he was grilled by Republicans on the House Judiciary Committee. And on social media today, President Trump sharply criticized him, saying in part, quote, Jack Smith is a deranged animal who shouldn't be allowed to practice law. If he were a Republican, his license would be taken away from him, and far worse. Chris Carr and Brad Raffensperger, they're both running in the GOP gubernatorial primary alongside Lieutenant Governor Burt Jones, who, unlike them, was part of a group of conservatives who questioned the results following Georgia's 2020 election.